You started your career एकदम बूम में आया, पता लगा लोगों को ये डिम्पल वाली लड़की कौन है, क्या यार कहाँ से, 2-3 एड्स किए, उसके बाद एकदम जिस तरह हम लोग लोगों की राइज सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, हम उससे ज़्यादा उनका डिमाइज का वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि ये नीचे कब गिरेगी. Sadly, but that's human nature. You have been part of some major controversies and they've been following you. मुझे एक पॉइंट पे लगा था कि यार this is too much for her. You're just a kid, man. I mean, come on. But that's the life you chose. It's ruthless. And कई जगह I personally think आपको नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. You still stood up your ground.
Yeah.
Do you think that has affected your mental health? Being part of the film industry for almost 8-10 years now, a good 8 years now.
Yeah, but I think everything has to do with perspective. So I look at it in a way that yes, I went through that and it shaped me to be what I am today. I wouldn't have been so solid and wouldn't have known where I lack or I don't lack if I hadn't gone through those experiences. Yes, mental health. It did affect my mental health. But I realized that I am that strong person who got up and said, yeah, I don't want to deal with depression. I want to fix it. So I did that. If I hadn't gone through that, I would have never figured out that I have some past trauma that's catching up and which is getting triggered by social media right now.
Yeah.
So I would have never found out if it hadn't happened.
Do you think the people around you played a part in that?
Help me?
Yeah.
Of course. There were people who were there for me, namely Shazia Wajahat. I don't know if it's like a motherly instinct or what. Every time she'd just sense something's wrong, she'd be at my doorstep. What's wrong? And she'll pull me out of my bed. What's wrong? Get up. Do this, do that. Get out. So definitely, alhamdulillah, मेरे इर्द गिर्द ऐसे लोग हैं जो realize करते हैं कि she's going through something or are sensitive enough or empathetic enough that they feel your pain and they try and help you out however way they can.
Yeah.
Even if it's tough love or if it's, okay, can I do something for you? Anything. It's a blessing to have people.
You're a true Gen Z generation. आप लोग इसी में कंसिडर होते हैं, जहाँ आप लोगों को होता है कि यार जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, ये तो हम लोग बिलीव करते हैं उस चीज़ में. And we're part of the showbiz industry. But where do you draw the line कि अच्छा यार मैं हर चीज़ तो अपनी सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट कर रही हूँ, बट where do I draw the line कि हाँ इससे आगे is my personal life?
I think ये भी सीखा ही है. ये भी सीखा ही है गलतियाँ करके कि कितना दिखाना है कितना नहीं दिखाना. I think कैसे बता सकते हैं? I think it just whatever feels right. कि this I'm comfortable with. I think बड़ा personal वो होता है कि ये बात मैं कह दूँ तो ये मेरे लिए तो ठीक है, तो ये मैं कर देती हूँ. I don't know how to draw that boundary. I think when it comes to personal relationships, romantic relationship, I think one thing I've learned that they are extremely fragile. And those you have to protect. Because और ऐसा भी नहीं कि कोई बड़े evil devils बैठे हैं आगे जो देख रहे हैं हमें, ऐसी बात नहीं है. It's just they get so vested. They invest so much of their attention and commenting and loving or hating or whatever. So when that falls apart, they don't treat it like a normal breakup or anything. उनको लगता है उनकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ख़राब हो गया है. So I think it's also not fair on them to share something so personal, which is so fragile, that should be protected. So it's better that you protect it, so they'd be happier for you that you have a relationship that you've protected so much.
जहाँ सोशल मीडिया ने आपको इतना कुछ दिया भी है, वहाँ आपसे लिया भी बहुत कुछ है. Do you think 5 years down the line, you know how to use social media to your advantage, or you still make those clumsy mistakes every now and then?
I think there's always margin of error. One can make mistakes naturally. लेकिन हाँ, समझ आ गई है. अब I curate my content in such a way कि मैं खुद edit करती हूँ. This I'm comfortable with, this I'm not comfortable with. इतना दिखाना है, ये दिखाना है. लेकिन I do make sure कि every day मैं कुछ दिखाऊँ, कि मैं उनको बताऊँ कि आज मैंने ये किया. That's just the relationship I have. But I just stay more in control of it.
आई थिंक यू शुड, बिकॉज वही बात होती है कि हम लोग ना टू मच ट्रस्ट करते हैं अगले बंदे के ऊपर कि अच्छा यार ये कर दे वो कर दे. यू लव ट्रैवलिंग.
यस.
अल्लाह, आई ट्रैवल्ड विद यू तो मुझे पता लगा कि यार ये तो इसको कितना शौक है ट्रैवलिंग का.
या, आई लव ट्रैवलिंग.
सो is that the thing that you really discovered about yourself कि okay I love traveling the world?
Yeah, I always thought कि मुझे stillness बहुत पसंद है. मैं अभी भी कहती हूँ मुझे still रहना, घर रहना, एक जगह रहना बहुत पसंद है. You don't act like it. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. लेकिन I discovered stillness in traveling as well.
अच्छा.
When you're absolutely present at all times. When you look at a monument or you look at a painting, or you're in a gallery or you're at a cafe or anywhere and you're truly present, आप उधर ही होते हो उस टाइम में. It's stillness. And that's what I love about traveling. It's fun, yes, कि इधर जाना है उधर जाना है. उधर जाके if you truly absorb कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ यार, मैं इतना दूर आई हूँ, मैं इतना दूर आया हूँ और मैं ये experience कर रहा हूँ और कर रही हूँ. तो it's sort of stillness. It's peaceful. Traveling is peaceful for me.
Do you consider yourself a spiritual person? कि यार हाँ मेरे में एक spirituality है. That's good. That's good to know actually.
Thank you.
जिससे आपने भी कहा कि यार मेंटल हेल्थ ने मुझे इफेक्ट किया है, हमारे पास बहुत से लोग होते हैं जो कि उस चीज़ के ऊपर डिस्कस भी नहीं करते. एक चीज़ जो मैंने आपकी जर्नी में देखी है कि जिस चीज़ ने आपको थोड़ा सा नेगेटिविटी दी है, मतलब सोशल मीडिया ने, आपने उसी के थ्रू अपनी स्पिरिचुअल मेंटल जर्नी एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू की. एंड विद टाइम आपके स्टेटसेस एंड ऑल दैट दे हैव बीन मैच्योरिंग. At what point do you think, okay, like you posted for men also, at what point do you think, okay, this is an issue and I really want to become an ambassador for it? Now you're actually speaking up on other people's behalf also.
Yes.
So where did you get that strength?
I don't know.
I
don't know. I just feel like it's something that should be talked about. And और मुझे डर भी बहुत लगता है खुदा से.
हाँ.
कि इतना प्लेटफॉर्म दिया क्या रोज़ बस हंसते हुए तस्वीर लगा दूँ, इसलिए तो नहीं दिया होगा ना. मैं सोचती भी हूँ कुछ तो पर्पज़ होगा इसका. I actually met somebody yesterday, an actor, and he said it's a man who's a lot older than I am, and he said, listen, I wanted to speak to you about something. I said, pata nahi kya ho gaya, I've never spoken to him. And he said, I was very low and I was very down and I was going through something, and somebody said, a friend of mine said, watch Hania's videos.
Arey wah.
And then he was like, I didn't know what he meant, and I watched them, and trust me, every day you make me happy because you post happy content, and I live that video with you. And not to boast or anything at all कि मैंने पता नहीं क्या कर दिया, but it's just the energy you put out.
Yeah.
You have a certain responsibility. When I'm sad, I also post I'm sad. Just so people, what I've done is I've humanized myself, so people connect more. I don't post photo shoots all the time.